guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal offer Pepe to Fenerbahce of Turkey. Say they would like to sign the guy. Say make Fenerbahce come carry him. So we are reducing the price. They already drop up to £25 million. Say they come carry him. So Fenerbahce see the way their options so that the guy will make sense for them or not. So we dey wait for them to come. If they won't propose, even if now 15 million or 20 million, make us answer them, because as it stands now, the reports really out there, they tell us say Arsenal, the reason say if them no fit sell this Pepe for this transfer window, this guy, even though I think he has like 1 or 2 years left on his contract, they don't want to give him any space. They tear in contract, they will release and pay him off, making the go. This is not the first time where Arsenal will pay off players. That is why people they talk say make we stop to resign players who no get resale value. You get, maybe say if you won't move on from them, nobody will come buy them. So Arsenal will tear contract, all those kinds of things. So we need to move away from that mentality. So that is what it is. So anyhow way this deal they go, if you're about to let us know how far, how much last, all those kinds of things, I will let you know. Alright, away from that, so Fabrizio Romano don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal need to move very fast for this Rice, because Man City they ask after the player on Friday. They ask for the player, say okay, what will be the situation? Can really they go Arsenal? How much it be? How much last? How much you need? All those kind of questions that Man City they ask. And Fabrizio on the break up, they let us know the reasons why it be like that. So from the look of things now, Man City, you know, say they don't release officially, they don't release Gundogan, but they still they negotiate with the guy to bring the guy back into the fold. So they look say if Ike Gundogan no sign for them again, they are coming for Declan Rice. So that is why you see they never really enter the race. So the more Arsenal they waste time, don't say Arsenal they waste time when they are negotiating, but the more they linger, you get the more chances people like Man City get to enter the race. So they are still hoping on getting Gundogan, because they don't go if you can't sign Gundogan, can't sign Rice. Come on, we are Rice will come play. Rice Benjamin will long, and that's what we say Rice if they go like. So we'll just watch how it go end at the end of the day. If they don't get Gundogan, then they will come for Rice. And if they come for Rice, from what we hear, the guys in London won't stay. So I don't think they even get the fighting chance, just like Bayern. Bayern has no fighting chance. Even though some reports don't come outside and tell us say Bayern Munich are very, very desperate. Like they will try and move everything, heaven and earth, to make sure they sign this Declan Rice. But they are fighting a lost battle again, because Arsenal is going to get this player. Because if I say the player don't promise, some people don't promise at that, say Baba forget, I don't be Mudrik, forget. I did join you now, Shola, I will join you now. I mean, I don't fear again. So maybe now what he don't promise Arsenal be that. So let's just watch. And don't forget that he's good friends with Bukayo Saka. And there is no way we could tell me saying with Saka never discuss Arsenal move. Same with Rams, they never discuss Arsenal move. This match they just play against Malta, this England versus Malta. You know what I'm saying? When they join the camp, Rams they see the guy, oh God, snap picture, my guy, post on social media. Audio fans when they shout, Rams they don't confirm, don't confirm. Even Saka self, they are very, very happy to see him. And they hug up, they post on social media. They are hidden cues. All these things they see, get hidden undertones. Because of kind of hidden message they get. But let's just watch out. So this kind of things, watch between the lines and read between the lines. Most of the say everything going forward. Alright, so Burnley, Villa and Crystal Palace, they are queuing up that they want to sign Sambi Lokonga. You see, they are interested in the player, see they like the player. This guy, from the look of things, or don't return to surplus to requirements for Arsenal. Yes. And don't forget the Burnley coach Vincent Kompany. Now one of the people who don't manage this guy from Anderlecht. So now I'm the first person to identify the guy. Say as we come back to EPL, we are taking this boy. Yes. So they never have none of them don't open talk. So now just talk is cheap. You get interest. When I bring the beats, come more no say yes. Now they serious, because by the time when this guy will come back from a loan stint, I think he went on loan at Crystal Palace. I don't know how it will be, because Crystal Palace said don't queue up, say okay, we grab your flow, what you take do for the loan, we want to take you back. And I don't think Arsenal is going to give him out on another loan deal. I think this will be a permanent one, because Arsenal doesn't move from the mentality of grooming young players, losing young players. Now we are adding steel. So most of these young players that we bought when we were in phase 3, we are phasing them out. Get me, they will join another person in phase 1. Yes, so that is what you are planning to do. So we start with bringing some men and taking out the less than average players that we have. So even those kind, Tavares, they expect themselves. Say once in come, find your square root. So those are the kind of things I'm expecting moving forward. Alright, so Ousmane Dembele, from what we hear, said this guy get a £50 million clause wey go dey valid by next month. So the many pundits going to talk say Arsenal will escape that thing because Bayern no get power to stop him because it is in his contract. Say by July, if anybody trigger that clause, he's going to leave. So it's going to be a steal if somebody go and get Ousmane Dembele. This guy is one of the fastest wingers in world football. Like if they count top 5, this guy name go dey there, and the streaky is very good. So if Arsenal get that kind of guy, we do for our bet, say the scam, say say maybe Saka no dey, put Dembele in the wine. So those are the kind of things wey go dey move me. Why go dey very happy. So we just watch how everything go unfold. That's my happiness. So whether Arsenal will trigger that, we don't know. I just let you know the news where they out there. Because once upon a time, Arsenal were interested in signing him. So we'll just watch that. We'll go back for him. Alright, so RMC Sports don't come outside and let us know. Say Arteta don't hold talks with Luis Campos, who is the PSG advisor. You know, say yesterday when I went live, I be telling her this thing, but I just make I reiterate them because it needs to enter our consciousness for people to understand. See, most fans when they talk say Arteta out. If this guy comes, many clubs they be say they go call and say Baba come join us. Can you imagine a PSG? We be say Nagelsmann, they interview Nagelsmann and say Nagelsmann no follow. They call interview some people they say no follow. They call the shortlist Arteta. So their advisor they call and say Baba how far space dey here, stars dey here, Mbappe dey here, Neymar dey here, and we are signing some kind of men. How far? Come join us. Surely at the end of the season we will win league titles to AJ, get Champions League 247. We dey go. So how far? And then I can't reject that. Say no. Say get projects where in the build. You know go make sense now. If you convince Saka making sign the contract, convince Saliba, convince everybody. You will say now you convince that you can't jackpot. I think it makes sense now. So that's why Baba confused say no, it don't make sense. Say making stay so that at least people see they call the guy some slack and appreciate him with the meager resources we get. He's still doing all he knows how to do best. So wish him the best of luck. So I just get happy say it's today, and my prayer be say make this guy reap the fruit of his labor, making sure I win something this new season. Even if not cup, we'll win. So Florian Plettenberg will be one of the Sky Sports reporters. Don't come outside and let us know say Bayern Munich no they go for Kai Havertz for now. Now you know say there's many speculations out there in the media world. People talk say Bayern won't go for the guy again. And now the reason they make people talk say Bayern won't go for him now because the Bayern coach Thomas Tuchel was the one that brought him at Chelsea, and so then get that working relationship. Tuchel knows how to use the boy, so that's why people they feel say Tuchel will still come back for the guy. But the Plettenberg just say Tuchel will come for him, but no be say now. Say now the target for Bayern is Osimhen. They are going to go for Osimhen, and at the same time they are looking at signing Vlahovic. So if they cannot get these two players, that is when they will return. And by the time they are returning, that is if Arsenal never already signed them. You can see all these different variables. So each one they apart. So if they wait, say okay, Vlahovic, Osimhen, those are our first two targets. This one is like our third choice. If these two no work, we'll come here. Whereas for Arsenal, this is the only striker they are going for. So we'll just watch at the end of the day how it will work. And you know, say Havertz, nobody like the Declaration will talk, say I want to stay only in England, or only in London rather. So this one, it can go anywhere. So if Arsenal go do themselves for Havertz, the guy will move forward. So we'll just watch how everything will unfold. And this guy Havertz, many Arsenal fans when they para for him, until the way they play. When Germany play Poland, they don't say no play very well. You know, they give a chance, they miss him, because they abuse them on social media. Don't be so. They don't judge players like that. A player did not play well under one manager. See Lukaku for Belgium, they play well. But you go in time, you go to boss net. That's PP. So the way coaches use you in your national team might be different from the way the coaches use you in the club level. So that's why you so no need to judge players like that. Until income Arsenal, I believe say Arteta get the key to unlocking potential. We want to see a different Kai Havertz. Alright, even the Mirror, they want to do an expose. They want to analyze Kai Havertz. They want to say Arsenal signing people like Kai Havertz. It shows a mentality shift at Arsenal. So they want to do like a research on the kind of players where Arsenal normally they sign from Chelsea. Arsenal usually signs players who are past their prime or players who are on the bench. You don't know, they don't have anything to do. They're players who are like they're not as good as they used to be. Because they give you an example, people like Yossi Benayoun, people like William, people like Luis, people like Peter Cech. These are the kind of players, the caliber of players we used to sign from Chelsea. But look at Kai Havertz, he's 24 years old who has not yet reached his peak. He gets. So we are signing a player with so much potential and a bright future. Now we decide from them. This is like the first time it is happening. Chelsea never give us this kind of player before. You get, he don't get that. Look at N'Golo Kante. We were once upon a time talking to N'Golo Kante to come and join us. First, you don't go join Al Ittihad, Al Ittifaq for Saudi Arabia. Those are the kind of players we used to sign from Chelsea in the past. But now the mentality shift is there. It has, like, we have Champions League football, we have everything it takes for any player that wants to play football to come and join us. That is why we are an attractive proposition, an attractive destination for players like Kai Havertz. So that is what it is. So that's what I said. And when I read the expose, I was just smiling. I was happy and say what this reporter is saying is actually true, because now old cargoes we usually go get from there. People maybe say they don't Shalaski, we'll just go carry them. But look at Kai Havertz. This is changing. We are changing the narrative. So I'm very, very happy. Alright, so today is the birthday of one of our community member, Oga Ezekiel Ochabuba. So Oga, me today birthday, have fun. We wish you all the best things life has to offer. Yes, so may just enjoy your day and may God bless you and keep you in Jesus' name. And inshallah. Baba still send me 5K, so make I use and flex on the birthday. Alright, so Sport Witness. Don't come and say I call the let us know. Say AC Milan offered Nelson £2.5 million to 2.5 million euros to join them. Then Arsenal offered them 3.5 million euros to stay. So maybe now what to make her stay, I don't know. But I know say the guys still love Arsenal because AC Milan see on the horizon, they see the wait whether the guy will sign pen to paper at the end of the day. You don't have now verbal contract we hear and he go sign. But he never put out for paper. Say okay, oh Baba, I don't join you now, all those kinds of things. So we'll just watch at the end of the day. But I see I'm optimistic. I don't say he will sign. He wants to stay. He wants to play Champions League football, obviously. Alright, so Fabrizio Romano said, come and say, I can't break one table where they talk say Arsenal sign anyhow player. So Baba can talk say Arsenal will only sign a player when they are 100% convinced that that player's suitability will make sense for Arsenal. Now the way Fabrizio put them on that some say like the Nakuna, you get. So for you to say we know they sign anyhow. I don't talk that before. We know they sign anyhow. That player must have something he's bringing to the table. Fine, there are some exceptions. So we say some players come and they don't do well. People like Fabio Vieira, they didn't do well actually, get. But exceptions don't negate the general rule, get. So that's what it is. You always have exceptions. People like Tavares that will send out, get. If you are doing well, why would you send you out? So those are the way it is. So but moving forward, we don't really look at players and just sign anyhow. We sign players who we feel is going to match our own expectation. So that's what it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and subscribe to get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, out.